Hello everyone, Sheldon Ray here, Product Manager of Advanced Technology here at Lincoln Electric, and I'm standing in front of the PIPEFAB Ready-Pak. So what's nice about this Ready-Pak is it comes completely assembled as you see here, with the exception of the water cooler on the bottom. And this thing is also ready to run. What does ready to run mean? Well, if I take this one-piece TIG torch here, and I put it right in here, I can press TIG and be ready to go within seconds. If I wanted to go from TIG and go to flux core, I can do that. If I wanted to go to MIG, I can do that. Let's say I want to do MIG on the other side. All I have to do is press over here. If I had a memory saved here to 2, I press 2. Let's come around here to the side. So if we look at the side of the machine, what's really nice about this is we have 4 bolts holding this in. What that means is I can just take out these 4, I can slide this back and remove it if I want to do preventative maintenance or when I'm wiring the machine when I first receive it. If I take a look at the bottle cart here, now this is really nice. So those of you who've been welding for a long time are used to having to wrap your arms around a bottle and lift it up to get it on the back, but check this out. This is a tilting bottle rack. I can take the bottle and just roll it right on up, and once it's on there, it'll get itself back in level. Now this thing is so ready to run that you can quickly set everything up just like I did here, and you can weld like Eric.